When you have the best sous vide machine, it's so easy to cook a nutritious meal.
Hi, and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started.
Let's start prepping our steak. Let's sprinkle on a generous helping of salt. And now we're going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. Let's pat that down so that the meat absorbs the flavor. We're going to flip this over. And once again, we're going to sprinkle on some salt and add some freshly cracked black pepper. And now we're going to pat it down once again. We're going to pick up all that salt and pepper that's in the bowl on the sides of the steak. Now I don't have a machine to vacuum seal the steak, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to put the steak into a resealable plastic bag. For some fresh flavor, we're adding some thyme. And for some earthy flavors, let's add some garlic. And to enhance the flavor, we're going to add some butter. Now let's flip the bag over and season our steak on the other side. And now we're going to be using our INKBIRD sous vide cooker to cook the meal. This amplified hollow design of the machine allows for advanced circulation, which heats the water gently, evenly, but rapidly, which helps in better texture, taste, and also locks in the nutrients of food. This machine comes in two colors, white and orange, which are both aesthetically pleasing, and I love that wide-angle screen that makes the viewing very easy. On the silver bar, you'll see that it has a maximum and a minimum, and the water level has to be between this. And it has this non-slip fixed bracket to clip the machine on to whatever you're cooking in. This versatile knob on the device is for easy setting and convenience to use. With this machine, you can start cooking like a pro because of its easy operation. It has a quick cook setting to set a target temperature and cooking time. It also has a menu setting which recommends recipes that lets you cook like a pro. This machine has a built-in scheduling feature which enables you to start cooking at a perfectly chosen moment. So for our steak, we're going to go with medium rare, and we're going to choose a thickness of about 1/2 inch. When the water has reached the desired temperature, the machine is automatically going to beep, indicating that it's time for us to insert our prep steak into the water. We're gently going to insert our bag into the hot water, making sure that all the air comes out, because vacuum sealing is key to having a good sous vide meal. And now we're going to zip the bag up and allow the meat to cook till the desired doneness. This machine also comes with a wireless control that helps to monitor the cooking anywhere, anytime through the INKBIRD app. This app is intuitive, user-friendly, and it also has a lot of customized settings. The app takes you through all the types of meat and vegetables that you can cook with all the temperatures and the cook times. And on top of this, the app also helps you to build customized recipes. Once the steak is ready, we're going to keep it aside and prep the fish. I'm using a tilapia fillet here. We're generously going to salt it and add some freshly cracked black pepper. We're going to flip it on the other side and add salt and pepper on the second side too. Now let's put this into a resealable plastic bag. Place 2 lemon slices on the top, some garlic for flavor, a little knob of butter because everything gets better with butter. Now let's flip the bag over and repeat the process on the other side of the fish as well. We're going to change our settings now and choose seafood. And once the water has reached the desired temperature and the machine begins to beep, we're going to insert our plastic bag. Once again, we're going to vacuum seal it, meaning taking out all the air, zip the bag up, and allow it to cook till the machine beeps and tells us that the fish is ready. Now to complete our meal and have a perfect surf and turf plated dinner, we're going to add some veggies. So into another resealable plastic bag, we're going to add some carrots and some broccolini. Once the machine has beeped, telling us that the desired temperature of the water has been reached, we're going to insert the bag and allow them to cook to the desired doneness. To finish off, we're going to lock in the flavors by searing the food in a pan. So we're going to add in a little knob of butter and first sear our fish. So we're going to sear it on one side, and once we get some lovely color, we're going to flip it over and sear it on the second side. Now we're going to take it off, wipe down our pan, throw in another knob of butter, and then sear our steak. Once again, we're going to wait till we get a lovely color on one side. Then we're going to flip it over and sear it on the second side. And once that is done, we're going to take it off and add it to the platter. And now that it's done, we're going to wipe down the pan and toss in the veggies. And now let's saute that till we get a little color on them. And we're going to take them off now and add them to the platter. It's time to cut the steak. It has cooked so evenly and my knife is sliding through it like butter. Oh my goodness, look how tender and juicy that is. Now tell me that doesn't look like a healthy and delicious dinner that you're waiting to serve up to your family and friends.
And now it's time to give this delicious meal a taste that we prepared with the INKBIRD Sous Vide machine. Wow, gonna taste the steak. It's done so well. Wow, this steak is cooked to perfection. It's so juicy and succulent and just the way I like it. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this INKBIRD Sous Vide machine, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.